Another unseasonably warm day. I mean, when can I wear any of these hoodies and sweatshirts that I have in my closet?
Yeah, today felt cooler because of just how hot. We had a record high yesterday of 82, so 71 actually felt cooler. But remember, we should be 65. That's the normal high for this time of year. Rock Hill camera, you can actually see off in the western sky there. You can see Venus as well as the moon tonight. We do have some clouds and some rain on the way tomorrow, though it's probably not going to get here until later in the day. That northeast wind will give us temperatures in the 40s, which are noticeably cooler, but the average low is 42. So it gives you an idea. We're slightly above average and it feels cool. Tomorrow, kind of a weird day. Northeast winds at times could wedge in some cool air. So if you're in the western part of our viewing area, probably 40s and 50s, maybe 60, 63 if we're lucky around Charlotte, closer to 70 to the east, and we will see, I should spit it out there, light rain will start to develop as we get into the afternoon. That light rain actually starts to develop by afternoon into the evening hours. Probably going to start as mist or drizzle early on, but as the day goes on, that rain chance will increase a little bit as that front gets closer. Could actually lead to some rain early on Monday. Notice the clouds moving in overnight into the morning hours. Light rain really doesn't develop until the afternoon, so the first half of the day should be fine. We'll see that light rain developing through the evening hours. Again, scattered drizzle, mist into Monday morning, but as the day goes on Monday, sunshine comes out and temperatures jump up back into the mid-70s, so a very warm Veterans Day. That northeast wind tomorrow, depending on the rain, could give us kind of a hybrid cold air damming event here, which will keep us cool. So depending where you are, especially banked up against the mountains, it could be a cool, raw day as moisture starts to move in from the south. That will set the stage for kind of a wet pattern here for at least part of our area tomorrow. So the rain chances, it's not going to be heavy rain, but scattered showers tomorrow into early Monday, but then Tuesday, Wednesday will dry back out as temperatures stay pretty mild. Latest on Raphael, it's kind of sheared apart. Now, it looks impressive, right? That's actually not where the center is. It's way down here, so the storm is being torn apart as wind shear rips it apart. Still a tropical storm, but likely going to weaken slowly but surely over the next couple of days and do this funny loop-to-loop and then move down to the southwest. The good news is this has zero threat to the United States other than rip currents along the Gulf Coast. So as that moisture gets pulled to the south, some of it might get pulled up to the north next week ahead of a stronger front. We'll see if some of that moisture does get pulled in here by Wednesday into Thursday. That would be our best chance of rain most of next week as temperatures stay pretty warm and high pressure moves back in. So kind of a warm setup here for the next 6 to 10 days. And again, this is the departure from average, the chances of being above normal. Remember, the normal high is in the mid 60s. So anything close to 70, this would actually verify. This doesn't tell you how warm it's going to be, just the chance of it being above that normal high, which is 65. Your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast shows how mild it will be, at least initially. The start of the week. And then the middle of the week, that rain moves in. Temperatures a little bit cooler, but then warming back up by next weekend. We could be pushing 70 degrees again next Saturday.